So hi, I want to extend a very warm welcome to Susan from Shortridge Laundry. She's given us the opportunity today to do a short testimonial on behalf of Talento Group. I just want to say first of all, Susan, before we started working in partnership with each other, what was your biggest challenges that you faced when it came to the recruitment process for the office management role?
We recruited for about 8 to 10 weeks and the whole process was really difficult and time consuming for us. It took a long time. The candidates that we got were not up to standard and the interview process just didn't really work at all.
And I always do remember when we had that first initial meeting, we looked at challenges that you were facing and some of the struggles that were apparent when it came to that particular role. And when we come in and we did a presentation and we looked at providing you an option to deliver this service, we spoke about a retainer, and I know at the time that was something that wasn't quite normal for the business. Can you talk us through that, please?
Your proposal was quite different to everything that we've worked with before. We put our trust in you to find us a good candidate, and you delivered on what you promised, and we were completely happy with the outcome.
The services were brilliant. They were very responsive in getting back to me. So as soon as I applied for the job, I got quick feedback, and I think it was a couple of days from being asked to interview to then get the position. Everyone has been so welcoming from day one. Any questions I had, my team members in the office have been nothing but supportive. Everyone is already organised, but I think I'm quicker on it. If we've spoken to a customer or they've rang us, I like to get back to them as soon as possible, just so they know we haven't forgotten about them and we're dealing with it as efficiently as possible.
There was a great partnership working there, you know, the communication flow going back and forward, and the understanding got everybody off on the right foot, which made it helpful for everyone. So from the application process to finding the candidate and now having that person in the business, which is Emily, what has that brought to your business in terms of benefits?
Initially it was the fact that from the time we agreed, you know, to go forward with your proposal, it took 6 days for you to find us 3 excellent candidates, one of which ended up being Emily, who we took on and who's been working with us for 3 months now and is just slotted into the team perfectly. The workload that she's taken off me has been amazing.
If it was to come to recommending Talento Group to other companies, what would your recommendation be?
Go for it and work with you. I think, you know, if you've got any concerns, talk them over with you as I did, and I just wouldn't go back now. It's been a great, you know, introduction to our partnership, and I hope it's going to last for a long time.